Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And today we are near Swallowcliffe on a lovely walk at the end of September. And I thought that just whilst we're on this walk, let's give you a bit of a different environment for a sample video. So this is a sample video recorded on the POCO M3 Pro. And what we're doing now is continuing on our walk. I'll give you an idea of what the stabilization on the POCO M3 Pro is like as we walk through this idyllic countryside near Swallowcliffe in Wiltshire. We will also be publishing a video review of the hotel we're staying at, the Royal Oak in Swallowcliffe. But in the meantime, look at this lovely bit of countryside and how the dynamic range of the camera with its default settings of 1080p at 30 frames per second is. Now I'm going to focus on the public footpath sign and then the sky, and you see that there is a bit of white balance, automatic white balance and focus going on. So overall, obviously the POCO M3 Pro is limited to 1080 video recording, but I'd say that for an affordable smartphone such as this, it's doing very, very well. And over here we have Candice, who's Instagramming the behind the scenes of the recording of this video.
C-roll.
That's actually C-roll.
C-roll.
C-roll. Anyway, here's the sample video of the POCO M3 in action. Thanks for watching, and if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We'll be back soon with more POCO M3 content, as well as our usual roster of consumer electronics coverage, mainly focused on devices we enjoy and believe make the travel experience better, as well as some travel content that we create. For now, thanks for watching, and goodbye from us.